Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Candace Jenet. Today we have appointments we're going to. Not many, I think 2 or 3. And the first one starts at 10:30 and it's literally 9. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, y'all can see, but it's literally 9:10. So we don't have that much time because I need to leave here by 10 o'clock, no later than like 10:05. So on today's to-do list is literally brows, nails first though. And then I gotta go to Sephora because I need to get like 5 or 6 things. So yeah, I'm about to get in the shower, and then when I get out, we're gonna curl this hair. And then we may or may not be doing cluster lashes. I don't know, it just depends on how much time I have. Because it's like I want to have some type of lash on if I'm getting my eyebrows done, you know?
I got that blue fever, cold as ice till you can be up. You're like another fire-breathing creature, but it don't burn how it appears. It's true, you could make me melt, but don't you forget it. The person you fell forever do for reasons. It's only because you ain't it.
Y'all, when I say I be so annoyed, I can never get this side. I can never get this side the same as this side, and it just kills me. Like no matter how much I curl with a flat iron, curling iron, I literally can never get it the same. It annoys me so bad. This is how we're looking. I feel like I'm looking a little pale, so I feel like I need to. This is the bronzer that I use, y'all. I swear, like when I restock on my makeup and then hopefully get some new makeup today, maybe I'll do a video of how I do my makeup. I'm not gonna put any bronzer up like on my forehead. I might put a little bit though, because I mean it's not my brows. I just didn't want to put too much makeup on my brows. But I think for the appointment today, she's going to like, you know, lash techs do like a lash bath. Like I think she's gonna do some type of like bath on my brows. But that lay down. Thanks. Okay, so about to. It's 9:44, so actually I think I do have time to. I think I have time to put some clusters on. These are the clusters we're gonna be using. Yeah, I do think I have time. Because right now, since I get there at 10:06. So I get there at 10:06, and I think that's perfect. So it's not gonna take me long to do my lashes. But yeah, so I'm gonna do my lashes. I was gonna record on camera, but I'm just gonna come back when I'm done because it's just gonna be so much. I'm trying to like get in the camera so y'all can see. I'll just be back. Y'all, it's literally so dark in here, but this is my outfit. My shoes are Asics. Red light right now, but it says I get there at 10:27, which is cool. I guess like 3 minutes, I guess, to figure out like where the appointment is gonna be. But I wanted to get there at least like 5 or 10 minutes early because I'm like, I never had her do my nails before. I'd never been here before. So you know what's always weird, especially when people are in like salon suites, you gotta literally get either buzzed in the building, find the right door, then you gotta like walk down the hallway to the left, to the right, like kind of like pushing it because I want to be on time. Although like walking in at 10:30 is not like super late, it's not OD late. And I hate how I literally, oh, she's just texting me. Y'all, what she said? She said I'll be on, oh, okay. She just heard my message when I told her, I said I'll be on the way soon. But I'm so excited. I'm gonna put my inspo pic in here so y'all can see what I want. I always do French. Why am I yelling? Girl, relax. I'm literally yelling like for what? It's literally just me in the car. But I literally always do French, and I'm doing French today, but like with a twist. I will see y'all when I get to my nail appointment. She's not that far from me, which is what I like. I'm switching up on my normal nail tech, but we'll see. I just want to try something new. But yeah, y'all, I will see y'all when I get there. Okay, y'all, I'm done with my appointment, and my nails are so cute. Like, I love them. So cute. I love them. Like, what? Oh, y'all, look at my nails. My nails are so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so tea. I'm back to life. So I'm here at the place where I'm supposed to be getting my brows done. I literally cannot find this sweet. It's literally sweet tea, like sweet letter T. And I like drove across the whole building, parking lot. I mean, I don't know. I'm having to just text her and be like, I'm here. Where are you located?
It's comfortable feeling, but it's not like unbearable. You know, you're not like in a lot of pain.
And I have tattoos, so it's I literally love them. The shape is like amazing.
Yeah, honestly, like just once I trim that up, and then even here, like
even with that one, yeah.
Versus it being like, you know.
Yes, exactly. I literally love them. I'm so in love with these. Alright, y'all, so I'm done getting my brows. Peep that brows. Y'all, my brows look OD good. I love them. But okay, so I'm about to get some gas, and then me and my homegirl about to go get something to eat. The girl, she started off with ramen, and then she talking about some oysters. It's literally 42 degrees out here. Why would I want oysters? That's what we do in the summertime. But I think we're gonna go to Longhorn. That's our little favorite spot. Yeah, so I'm about to get some gas, and then I'm just so upset because my eyebrows really grow two different ways, and I literally am in love with my brows. Stop playing with that girl. Stop playing. You pick the nails when you pick. Did you mean? Stop playing with that girl, man. Stop playing with that girl. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the restaurant. Girl, we here at the Longhorn. Waiting on our name to be called. Y'all, I did not even get a picture of our food, but this is us in the bathroom, and this is our drinks that we get. Y'all, it is literally next day. I did not go to Sephora yesterday, so I was like, I'm gonna go to Sephora today. I'm not the one in Atherton Mill. If you know, like the parking is just bad over here. But they got Kava right here, over there. But I think I'm so hungry. I think I'm gonna go there. I have not eaten. Mind you, it's 12 p.m. So y'all know I'm not lying. So y'all know I'm not lying. Bro, why you don't never want to focus on the time? It never wants to focus on my phone. It's 12 p.m. So I have $100 in cash. I'm like, I'm not spending over $100. I mean, if I do go over $100, it's just what it is, and I just pay on my card. But I'm only going to Sephora for like 4 things. So let's see if I can really walk out of here with those 4 things at $100. And I need to get my birthday gift because I have not got my birthday gift. But yeah. All right, so I'm gonna see you when we get to Sephora. Y'all, so these are the shades on my skin. Bit of focus. So I'm getting Harmony, which is this one. I have foundation, but I think I'm just gonna get the contour stick. Okay, y'all, let's see what my cart is looking like so far. So I got my shade in the Yummy Skin. I got my Put Up powder. I did the Kanafa, and then I got the Liz contour stick. So we'll see. Right now, I'm looking at the Hourglass concealers. I think I just tried on I can't remember if it was just this one or this one, but what's cute? I don't know, we'll see. She had to step away for a second, but I'm gonna see if she can come back and do maybe a darker shade on this side. Look at it right here. So I'm really looking for something to cover my under eye bags. I just want to show you my total was really 108. I paid 100 in cash and I just paid the rest on my card, but we did good. I got my little birthday gift. Y'all, this is my order. I'll tell you what I got. I got corn. I think I got garlic dressing, tahini dressing, basmati rice, onions, tomato, feta, corn. Y'all, I'm so full. I didn't even finish my bowl, but I'm super stuffed. I got half of it sitting there. A little less than half actually. But when I get to the car, I'm gonna show y'all everything I got from Sephora. I got like 2 or 3 more things than what I showed y'all. Okay, y'all, this is what I got. I got the Danessa Myrick Skin Tint. I've been wanting this. I've been seeing it like everywhere this summer, and I was like, I just want something that's like light. Then I got, this is my birthday gift. They didn't have any more of the Kayali fragrances, so I had to settle for this. Like, I don't even know if it's gonna show up on me, but if not, I'll just give it to my mom. This is the Hourglass Concealer in shade, what shade did I get? Yeah, I can't even remember. Oh, Flax. I got it in the shade Flax. Then I got the LYS, however you say it, contour stick. I've been wanting this so bad in shade Harmony. I love a creamy like bronzer, like contouring stick, and this is exactly that. Then I got the Huda powder, the Huda baking powder, but I got it in the shade Kunafa, but I'm wondering if I should have got Banana Bread. I don't know. Banana Bread was lighter, but I love a yellow under eye. I don't know. And then to try, I was gonna do the Urban Decay all nighter spray, but I was like, let me just try this. It was the same price, and I'm like, it's mattifying, and I always find myself oily after probably like an hour or 2 of my makeup. But I'm wondering if I should like record myself like doing a full face with the makeup that I have, with the makeup that I got for this party later. My little sister's sweet 16. Everybody's so excited. Yeah, I'm here at the house now because I'm about to take her to get her makeup done by Ariana. But yeah, that was my little mini Sephora haul. Yeah, I'll see y'all. Where's my jacket? I think this one. I will see y'all at the next stop. Oh, I also want y'all to see my Stanley. Like, look at, hold on, let me flip the camera. Hold on, y'all. When I say I love my new Stanley, it just came out on the 28th, and it's only like December 5th or 6th today. I think it's the 6th. Yeah, love it. I'm gonna insert a video so y'all can see, like, I'll put a video so y'all can see how glittery it is, because it's not showing up on the camera, but it's so glittery, y'all. I really love it. Y'all, why am I back at freaking Sephora? Because they charged me twice for one thing. They charged me twice for the contour stick that I bought. I'm so annoyed. My hair looks great. I did not do my hair, y'all. But yeah, they charged me twice, and I got to come back up here. I literally have been waiting for a parking spot for probably 20 minutes now, and I finally found one right in front. So I got my refund or whatever. I just restocked on one of these because I washed the last one in my scrubs. So not only did I run out of my lip butter balm, I also have to get new scrubs. But it's so good. This is my favorite one. It's the Sweet Mint. I really feel like y'all should try it. I gave my sister like the vanilla one and the other ones that I had, but this is my favorite one. I probably won't get another one. And this was like a cute little coffee shop I found on TikTok like 2 days ago. It's called Babaloo Coffee Club. I had got the iced Biscoff latte. You have to mix it up, but it really was like a 10 out of 10. I will go back. All right, y'all. So this is the end of this vlog. It's literally 8:30 at night. I just finished cleaning my house. I'm doing my homework right now. Watching YouTube. But yeah, it's a video coming next week. Thank y'all for watching. If you stayed this far, I don't know what I'm gonna cut out. This is like my longest vlog ever. I've recorded 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I've never done a weekend vlog before, but thank y'all for watching. If you stayed this long, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and there's a video coming next week. Make sure you stay tuned.